To fix Afterpay not approving your order, start by understanding how Afterpay works. Afterpay is a buy now pay later service that allows you to pay for your purchases in installments. When you place an order, Afterpay assesses your creditworthiness and approves or declines your request based on various factors, including your payment history and available funds. The first step to troubleshoot the issue is to check your Afterpay account for any errors or issues. Ensure that your account is active and in good standing, with no outstanding payments or fees. Verify that your personal and payment information is up to date and accurate. If your account is in order, the next step is to review the order details. Check that the order total is within your approved spending limit and that you have sufficient funds available for the first installment. Afterpay may decline orders that exceed your limit or if you have insufficient funds. Another common reason for declined orders is failed payment attempts. If your payment method has been declined, update your payment information or try an alternative payment method. Ensure that your credit or debit card is valid and has sufficient funds. In some cases, Afterpay may require additional verification to approve your order. This can include providing identification or proof of income. If you receive a request for verification, respond promptly and provide the required documentation to avoid delays. To avoid declined orders in the future, make timely payments and keep your account in good standing. Monitor your spending limit and ensure that you have sufficient funds available for installment payments. Regularly review your account information and update it as needed to prevent errors or issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve issues with Afterpay not approving your order and ensure a smooth shopping experience. Remember to always review your account information and order details carefully to prevent declined orders and maintain a positive credit history with Afterpay.